Hey, Jim here with another one of Jim's favorites. I'm here at Watts Marina today. As you can see, they're getting some shrink wrapping done. They're getting boats ready, winterized. They do everything here. This is where my boat is. This is where I take my boat. They're going to winterize it, get the motor prepped, change oil, anything mechanical they can do here. I blew out the lower end on my boat. They did that. It's been no problems for 3 years. It was my fault. I did it.
You want to talk to me?
I want to talk to you. I'm here at Watts with my buddy Tom. I tell you what, my boat's been down a bunch of times because I run it pretty hard. My trolling motor especially, this guy is the trolling motor guru. So
Been certified since 2009. I'm a ASC for Minn Kota, power pole. If it goes on your boat, I'm certified.
he's fixed up my boat. I've never had a problem that I didn't cause. So I just want to say thanks, Tom. Here at Watts, everything's been running
Not a
great.
problem. That's what we shoot for.
Now
Keep
I
the
just need to,
fishermen on the freaking water doing what they like to do.
now I just need to learn to catch fish, and then we'll have it made.
I'm all right in that department now.
Thanks, Tom. I don't think I want to do shrink wrapping on my own. I think I want these guys to do it. I don't want to take a torch to my boat, but check this out. Nice and secure. Wow, I got to tell you, I did not think it took that much work. I thought they put it on and heated the ends down, but check that stretched out. This boat's safe for the wintertime. Shrink wrapping, vinyl repair. You wouldn't believe the vinyl shop they've got. They can repair everything inside, outside, whatever. So bring it in, schedule it. I've got my schedule. I've got some chips in the gel coat. I'm getting that fixed here. I told them, let's do it in like January. So plenty of time. We'll be ready for the summertime. So anyhow, Watts Marina, anything you need done to your boat, bring it on out here and they can take care of it. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give me a call today for any real estate needs.